God, reward my faith with your power to make me the kind of child you want to have to your glory. Teach me to number my days right, that I may gain a heart of wisdom. As with David, mold me into a man after your own heart by helping me to do everything you will me to do. I humbly ask this, Jesus. This first prayer, I carried in my wallet every day until today. And now I get to see it.
But enough about all of us. Today is about Mike and Brittany. And last night, Mike told me a couple topics to avoid in this speech. So with that said, nope. Definitely not. Well, a 4-minute speech can't do justice to the friendships that I've gained with Mike and Brittany. Mike is loyal, adventurous, motivated. Brittany, you're kind, compassionate, but specifically today, most of all, you look incredibly happy. Mr. and Mrs. Von Arx, thank you to both your families for hosting such a great evening. I wish you adventure, happiness, and love for all the years. Let's make this an evening to remember, because it'd be weird if we didn't.
I'm currently a junior in college, incoming senior in college. When I wrote a speech in my freshman year of high school speech class, that really inspired me, just to talk today, because at the time, back freshman year of high school, I never thought that I would, actually be doing an honor. So it means a lot, because we've come, a long way as, best friends. It means so much to me that she, asked me to be doing an honor, so I'm so honored to be here today. Here's to this amazing couple. We say amazing as if it's, lightly, but, I don't think I know anyone who can measure up to them, so. Thank you for making me an honor and just being such a good influence in my life. Both of you.
Jean said to me yesterday, she said, how do you feel about giving away your daughter? And I said, I'm not giving away my daughter. I'm expanding the family. And I'm so blessed to have Mike and Mike's dad and all the friends, the ecosystem they bring into this world of mine. Just blessed. But I want to just say a special toast to my beautiful daughter and her amazing husband. I'm so blessed to be a part of this and to witness this. This is a milestone in my life, and I can't wait for the next two. Just give it a little time, okay? Cheers to Brittany and Mike Von Arx.
Let's go! right, we are at the end of the Von Arx Levon wedding. Here's AJ trying real hard to get some photographs to send to his wife. So here's the aftermath. Everyone's having a great time. Everybody say hi. Wave. Way to go, Brittany and Mark. You guys have any fun tonight? Yeah, we did. Absolutely, so much fun had.
They're like,
Bye, everybody. And then there's Sam.
You're a beautiful man and you're spilling a little bit of beer, but that's okay because I still love you.
Just send it.
Wait. Gather near to our mystical fold. You know. Gather near to our mystical fold. Come like colors, the blue and the gold. Gather near. We love you guys. Gather near. That's the worst song.
Mike really respects you. Can you just give a few quick words to Mike?
I gave Mike some advice. It's like when you're going together, keep both eyes open, and when you get married, close one eye.
Or a selfie.
Everyone else.
Mike in his true environment, PBR. So, say something that the bride and groom won't hear right now, but they'll hear later.
I am thrilled for their future. They're on a great trajectory. They're going for the stars. I am happy, so happy for both of them. Never lose sight of the Lord, and always take good care of yourselves, but impressive care of each other.
Love you, Brittany, Mike. We love you.
We had a great time. What a great wedding.
You're so good together, and I'm blessed to have both of you in my life.
Britzy and Mike, I am so proud of you guys. This exceeded my expectations. I think everybody's expectations here. You guys are wonderful. We all love you. God loves you. It's late at night, and we want you to go to your room, and we'll clean up for you, okay?
Mike and Brittany, tell you what, the ceremony, the rehearsal, the last 5 years I've known you, awesome. Congratulations on your wedding day, and I can't wait to see what's in store for you guys. I wish you the best in love, adventure, and in your own careers. You guys are rocking it. Keep it going. I record something just for Mike. It's the end of the night of your wedding day. Real quick, off the top of your head.
Mike, I've had such a good time tonight. Can't believe how many friends we have that just love us. I've been filled with emotions earlier today. I just can't wait to hang out with you tomorrow morning and reminisce on our night tonight.